Tiegan, Coppard. I study level 3 health and social care. Definitely a lot of legislation. So my first year was built up all around legislation, and actually it's really helped with like the whole business side of the business that I'm working for at the moment. So it's helped me with a lot more charity work, and I've got better life skills because I got to go on placements. I went to a disabled care home in my village and I loved it. I never wanted to leave, and from that, like, they've offered me a job if I wanted it, and from being there I was really nervous. I was like, oh, I'm not ready for the world of work, like it's really scary. But everyone was so accommodating, everyone was really lovely, and it was very much like, this is what we're made to do from this course, and you felt like you had a purpose from it, which was really lovely. So we had to complete 200 hours minimum a year at the placement, and you had to we got given these workbooks, and you went off and you had a mentor, and you'd have to tick all these boxes and make sure that everything was written down. And most of us did do extra hours because we loved our placements. So most people went to care homes, or we went to primary schools. I went to, obviously, the disabled care home. A lot of people got jobs from it, which was really nice. Once I spoke to the course leaders, I was really, really excited. I was like, I can't wait to start here. Whereas all the other colleges I looked at, I was like, not 100% sold. They're really lovely, I can't fault them. If I ever had an issue, if I was worried, if I was stressed, I could go to them straight away and be like, look, I don't know what I'm doing, can you help me out please? And they did, they were absolutely amazing. We got to go as a class to Brighton Uni for the day, which was so much fun. We got to try out all the different courses, and we kind of tried midwifery, we tried occupational therapy, physiotherapy and paramedic science, and it really benefited the class because when we got back into the classroom we all knew exactly what path we wanted to do. So I've got a job now, so I'm going to work really hard on that, and then in September I'm off to go and volunteer with primary school children in Borneo, then travel around, and then I've changed my mind from midwifery to forensic anthropology, but even so the course allows you to do that. So we had a research module, and that's kind of when I knew I wanted to change what I wanted to do. So I kind of gone off from there and wanted to go and study at Liverpool.